Tea can be a delightful and health-conscious choice to include in your daily routine. While it's essential to acknowledge that no single food or beverage can miraculously unclog clogged arteries, several types of tea have been associated with potential cardiovascular benefits. These benefits largely stem from the antioxidants and bioactive compounds found in different types of tea. Let's delve deeper into the specific properties and advantages of the teas mentioned earlier. 1. Green tea. Renowned for its health benefits, green tea contains a group of antioxidants known as catechins. These compounds, especially epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG, have been linked to improvements in heart health. Regular consumption of green tea may help lower LDL, bad cholesterol levels, reduce inflammation, and enhance endothelial function, which can contribute to overall cardiovascular well-being. 2. Black tea. Like green tea, black tea is a source of antioxidants, predominantly flavonoids. These antioxidants can assist in promoting heart health by reducing oxidative stress, improving endothelial function, and potentially lowering blood pressure. The combination of caffeine and flavonoids in black tea may offer protective effects for the cardiovascular system. 3. Hibiscus tea. Hibiscus tea is known for its ability to reduce high blood pressure. It contains natural ACE inhibitors that relax blood vessels, thereby lowering blood pressure. Drinking hibiscus tea regularly might contribute to better artery health and overall cardiovascular well-being. 4. Oolong tea. Falling between the oxidation levels of green and black tea, oolong tea provides a balance of beneficial compounds. It contains antioxidants that help in reducing LDL cholesterol and improving heart health. Regular oolong tea consumption may contribute to maintaining healthy arteries. 5. Ginger tea. Ginger, although not a traditional tea from the Camellia sinensis plant, is a popular and flavorful choice. It contains anti-inflammatory compounds that may enhance blood circulation and reduce oxidative stress, supporting cardiovascular health. 6. Turmeric tea. Turmeric is known for its active compound, curcumin, which has potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. These attributes may help reduce inflammation, prevent plaque buildup in arteries, and promote heart health. 7. Rooibos tea. Rooibos tea, originating from South Africa, is caffeine-free and packed with antioxidants. It has the potential to lower blood pressure, reduce oxidative stress, and promote cardiovascular well-being. While these teas offer potential cardiovascular benefits, it's crucial to understand that they are just one aspect of a comprehensive heart-healthy lifestyle. Maintaining a balanced diet, engaging in regular physical activity, and seeking guidance from healthcare professionals are key components of preventing and managing heart-related issues. Furthermore, moderation in tea consumption is important as excessive intake of certain compounds or substances can have adverse effects. In conclusion, tea can be a delicious and health-promoting addition to your daily routine. While it may not serve as a cure for clogged arteries, its potential cardiovascular benefits are supported by science, making it a valuable choice for those looking to maintain heart health. As with any dietary changes, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare provider for personalized recommendations.